Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make another very quick and easy pasta dish. You only need 15 minutes to make this delicious recipe. Boil the pasta with a teaspoon of salt and a bit of oil. It's going to take 10 minutes to cook the pasta. Meanwhile, I'll clean my shrimp and chop the onion and garlic. Now in a hot skillet, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of oil and cook chopped onion. When it looks a bit roasted, I will add 2 tablespoons of garlic, around 2 tablespoons of butter, half a teaspoon of chili flakes for heat, half a teaspoon of paprika for color, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp and some salt. It won't take very long to cook the shrimp. When one side is nice and pink, I'll turn it to the other side and cook until the gray color disappears. The shrimp looks completely cooked. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my pasta. I am also adding a zest of 1 lemon and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then I'm going to give it a toss, making sure the pasta is well coated with the shrimp sauce. At this point I have tasted and I think it needs a little more salt. I'm going to add some green onion and parsley as well. Now the sauce is drying out, so I am adding some pasta water and a tablespoon of butter to finish it off. That's it guys, hopefully you will like it, give it a try and thanks for watching.